Hey guys, how you doing? So, in a couple of weeks, some of us are going to be looking forward to going to a date night. And so I have a couple of hairstyles that are quick and easy. If you're going to a hairstylist, fine. You don't have to worry about that. For some of us that don't go to a hairstylist or you attempt to do your own hair, I do have a couple of quick hairstyles. So for myself, recently, I haven't really done anything to my hair except, this little ponytail and tie it up at night and go to sleep. Reason being is I was sick and I just didn't feel like being bothered. But anyway, I'm going to show you a hairstyle that you can do that's quick and easy. So anyone that has naturally curly hair, or if your hair is, even if your hair is relaxed, you can use this particular technique to do a style. The style I'm going to be doing is going to be more like as if it was a roller set. So you're going to have, nice curls, but you don't have to use rollers. It's going to be Bantu knotted, and the Bantu knots are going to act like a roller, and then therefore, when you take them out, you have the roller set. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to loosen your hair. If your hair is, naturally curly and you've had it up, it's dry or whatever, you're going to take some either water or conditioner or something in a spray bottle, loosen it up. And basically, you're going to Bantu knot it in the direction that you would like your curls to go. So for me, as you can see, that's my part. I haven't even retied my hair the way I'm supposed to. All right, that's my part. For anyone that has micro locks, if you think that you don't have to brush your hair or you shouldn't brush your hair, there's no such thing as you shouldn't. You could do it if you want to. As a matter of fact, when you do something like that, when you brush your scalp a little bit, it's actually it's very massaging for the scalp. All right, so normally I would part my hair here. So what I would like to do is I would like my curls to go this way and then have curls all the way around. So when I Bantu knot it, that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to do that next. All right, so I basically did all of them. I have one left, which I'm going to show you. So the bigger the knots, the bigger the curls. The smaller the knots, the tighter the curls. Also, if you have short hair, you can do a knot and then wrap it with a rubber band, or you can take a bobby pin to hold it. So if you have shorter hair and it's not, wrapping completely around. But the same technique is there, because if you want the curls like a roller set, you can do the knots. If your hair isn't in like micro locks or anything, I don't bother to part my hair. I just partition it with my fingers. Even if I had, just the natural hair, because if you have clean parts with a set like this, like a roller set kind of, then that means that you'll see the parts more prominent, because it'll dry that way. But if you just partition it with your hands, then the parts are not so prominent, and it's easier to get rid of that part, that demarcation of the part. Okay, so for the very back, I don't want my back real short with the roller set or the Bantu set. So what I'm doing is the very back, I am twisting it out And then at the bottom, then I put a little Bantu knot on the bottom. So that's how I do the back. If you don't want your hair to be completely short and drawn up, shrunk up, whatever you want to call it. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. And then I just kind of roll it around my finger and roll it a couple of times around the rest of the braid. Like that. See? And then that way it'll be curly. So now all I have to do, I can put some more oil in my scalp if I want to. Tie it up with a silk scarf, or just go ahead and put your bonnet on and you're done. Tomorrow I will let you know what it looks like, and then you'll see that it's more like a roller set than anything else. See you tomorrow. Good morning. How is everyone? I am back. It's Tuesday morning. So last night I did the Bantu knot set. I'm going to take it out right now so you guys can see exactly how these curls came out. Okay, you want to have some oil, because usually what I do is I put the oil on, and as I take them out, I, put a little oil on each curl, so that way as I'm taking them out, they don't, really frizz up on me. All right, so like I said, the ones in the back, they're just gonna hang, because I really don't want a whole lot of curl in the back. I want the curls to sit on top. All right. And basically what you want to do is just unwind them. So as I said before, the big Bantu knots give you a bigger curl pattern. And I don't want them too tight. If you find that your curls came out too tight, you can always use a little bit of gel or cream to kind of loosen them up a little bit. You can even spritz them with a little bit of water, but I would try a gel or a cream. So, something like a wet product, like a leave-in conditioner or something, and that you just rub in your hands like that, and then you release the curl. So you see how I got some body now? So as I said before, this is something really easy. You just set your Bantu knots. If you missed it, go back to yesterday's video about quick, easy hairstyle. And this is where I showed you how to set Bantu knots. Now sometimes my curls in the front may be too tight, so I like them to hang just a little bit over my forehead. So if it's too tight, I will probably get some water or something, a little leave-in conditioner or something, to just release it just a little bit. But I do like this option, because we wear natural curls and your natural curl pattern most of the time, because it's easier to wash and go. It's easier. Or you wear the twist out, and that's like, a little tight curl. So, every now and then you want something to look more like a little roller set. And so this is where you use the band 2 knots as your roller set. You know, like my name, my face just a little bit. I know some of y'all like, that's the little old lady hairstyle. Yeah, it starts out like that, but you can't go wrong with a roll set. People be looking at you, walk in the store, and people be like, ooh, your hair's so nice. All right. And so what I do at this point, I kind of style it. I get me a bobby pin or something. Okay, that's one. This is one style. And as I said, the more I pull on it. So with this type of style, you could do a couple of things. Let's see. Okay. So you kind of leave it like that. You know, this is just, you know. Or you can do like this and just swoosh it all the way to the side. Get you a little bit of gel or cream or wax and just have everything going to the side. So I'll style, I think I'm gonna do it like that. That's one little date night hairstyle. All right, I'll be back. Let me just get some bobby pins and then I'll swoosh it up for you.